Well, I'm back. I was hoping last night that I was just upset over a few little swirls and that I could maybe let them go. But I looked at it today real close with my magnifying hood. It's just full, and I can't let it go. I mean, they're not huge and atrocious, but they're there. Excuse me, and anybody that looks at it will go, wow, what's all that, So I'm gonna start taking it down. It really turned out beautiful, I thought, though. The black, what they call real black, it really came out nice. There's no swirls or anything up, of course, up in where the inlays are. So I'm gonna sand around that. I don't think I need to sand any of that up there from the rings on up. Just the grip area is full of them. And then down here, golly, it's just sad. So I probably have to take everything off from down all the way down, because I don't think I can leave any of the black on and then try to stain it, because once you start staining over the black, then that gets darker again. So I'm just gonna have to do it. Gonna have to grit the old teeth and do it. I hate that. I'm so unhappy with myself that I did that, and why I forgot to do that, beyond me. I even talked to the wife about it, and she says, you don't do those things. I said, well, I did this time. But okay. Well, I'm just gonna turn the camera off, and I'm gonna do this. And when I get it all done, I'll come back to you. It'll probably be tomorrow before I come back to you. But anyway, thank you for watching and putting up with me. Talk to you later. Well, the last time we talked, you remember I goofed up and did not check for scratches and swirls and stuff on here, and I had it stained, so I had to take the stain. Well, you're not going to get all the stain off unless you grind it, but I took it down, got all the swirls back out of it, went over it with a magnifying hood, and really feel not too bright. But then after I'm doing this, I'm thinking to myself, good grief, I didn't even put in the things that I told you I was going to do to the grip area. And I thought to myself, how in the world did you forget all that stuff? I don't think it's old age, but I think, like my daughter would say, duh. So anyway, I'm putting the dimples, whatever you want to call them, in here. It'll be, this long, the whole thing. So I didn't have to take this top part down, which thank God I didn't, because of the silver inlays. But that was a lot of work, and I feel dumb as a stump, let me tell you, for not doing what I should have done. So what I'm going to do, we'll get off of that, is I'm going to set the camera down, and I'll show you a little bit about how I do the dimples. I showed you, I think, once before. But I'll do a little bit more, and then turn the camera off, and I'll just finish it out from there. Because to have, 20 minutes of is boring. So let me get my hood on, my mask and everything, and I will come back to you and get the camera set too. Okay, be back. Okay, here we go. Okay, got all the dimples done. I got everything sanded down to a 400. And now I'm going to lightly stain it. I'm not going to let it sit on there at all because it's already got dark in the wood. And I don't want to get this way dark. So that's my plan anyway. So I'm going to get things around. I don't think I'm going to do it today. I've got some other things I gotta run around and do. And I'm excited to get that one done, but I want to. I don't want to forget anything, so I sit there and look at it for 5 minutes and go, "What did I forget?" So, well, I guess I'm just going to turn myself loose here and go back in the house. I got to do some stuff for some business cards and get some other things done. So we'll talk to you later, probably tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good afternoon. I'm back. I have restained. I sanded it all down and restained it. It turned out pretty dark, but I am going to see what I can do with steel wool, make it a little bit lighter. It was quite an undertaking to sand it all back down and get the swirls out of it. I just don't know why I didn't do them. I'm at a total loss. So then gonna start out, get the camera, and I keep having an SD card error. So I switched SD cards, and it must have, that old card must be bad, so I'm hoping not. But anyway, got a new SD card in there, and we're running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn the camera off and go ahead and take the steel wool to this, and then come back and tell you if it worked or not. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, I'm going to get the camera all set, and I'm going to go ahead and video me doing the polyurethane first coat. Got everything all ready. This has been quite an operation here. So let me get my little glasses on here, and let me get the camera turned so y'all can see. I'm hoping. Okay. There we go. Okay, first coat's on. It has been a uh, quite a trip here. Forgetting to do the sanding, really, kind of messed everything up on the smoothness of it going. But the first coat's on. I like it. It looks good. It's really dark, but I mean the grain shows wonderfully, the light and dark of the grain. So I'm hoping everybody will like it. So I'm going to let you go, and we'll come out. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow or the next day. I think I have something else I have to do tomorrow, so it'll probably be day after tomorrow I come back out and work on this one again. So we will see you then. We will see you then. Bye-bye. Well, I'm going to show you the finished walking stick with the silver inlay. I'm just hoping that you can see the inlay, one on each side. I think it turned out quite well. The black really made the grain stand out. There's my signature. But, yeah, I like the way it came out. So that's the last one, and that's finished. I got some business cards made up finally, and I am going to start getting out there and finding a place to sell these things. See if I can go online and sell them. It's I've got a few of them made for stock, so I'm just hoping that people like them enough to buy one from me. Excuse me. So that'll be the end of the videos for Aspen with a silver inlay. Thank you all for watching so much. It's been a pleasure, always is. And remember, get your walking stick, hiking stick, your cane, whatever you use, and get out there, because nature is beautiful. Thank you. Bye-bye.